I am Alicia Duffy, TeamDuffy with Texas Urban Living. Welcome to 2309 Micarta Drive in Plano's desirable Hunter Glen neighborhood. Well, it's paint day. Actually, paint day just finished at my 2309 Micarta, so I'm coming to check everything out, see how the painters did, and see what my sellers left for me to be able to stage with. We had talked about leaving some things, so let's go see if they did and what the plan is gonna be to get this house sold and looking great. So right off the bat, I can see they left the table that we talked about them leaving to put in the formal dining room. Because I think this space here, we are going to kind of leave it open so you can see out to the beautiful pool. And we talked about them leaving the couch. I'm not sure if that's gonna stay. We might have to see if some pieces come off of that and use that table for probably a coffee table. In the kitchen, and they've done some touch-ups, which is good, but I'm still seeing some different sheens here, so we're gonna have to either take care of that and maybe put up something to kind of deflect from that. That's good with the music. It's always good to have some music going, you know, a little bit soft music in the background. But this is definitely gonna have to be not just cleaned, but cleaned really well and all of this removed. That's a pretty big focal point, especially when the kitchen is vacant and there's not a lot of else to look at. People are gonna be looking at that stuff very closely.
So it's both of these, and you're gonna turn it that way to shut it off,
Okay.
and that way to turn it back on.
Okay, so just the second and third one to the left, and that's on.
Yep. Okay. And then we can go check.
Into the master. And I believe that they are taking that and swapping it for the bed in the garage, which is good. I asked them to definitely have a bed in the master. That's pretty important. So I just got through measuring all of this here to try to come up with a solution to make it make a little bit more sense. And I measured the mirror to see how much it would be to put a frame around it. So we're gonna have to think of something for this that's not a lot of money, because it just does not flow well. go small. In the front room, they took out all of the play stuff for the dogs, and they took the big TV down. So that's good. We probably don't want a big TV in the dining room. That's where it was hanging up before. But we're gonna have to get a picture or something to cover that. And we probably will put the table in here because this is a really big empty space, and it's what you see right when you walk in the door. So we want the first impression to be awesome. This room looks a lot better. They did all the painting and they left some things for me to use. So we'll need to get some covers for the light switches and a chair for the desk. Laundry rooms are okay as long as they're cleaned up, so we'll just clean that up a little bit. And the bathroom, kind of, I don't like that right there. We're gonna have to ask the painter if he's doing something else to that and to that up there. That looks a little, that doesn't look that great. So we are going to ask him about that.
Is that your kisses? Did you give him kisses? Heading over to my Micarta house. It's the buyer's inspection day, always an exciting day, and you always need to be readily available to do things like go turn on the pool, the waterfall, turn on lights that they can't figure out, or lights, pilot lights. So I'm on my way to do that.
All right, y'all, I have pulled sign here at 2309 Micarta Drive in Plano. This one is officially sold. We had a great turnout at the open house, which was also themed around protesting your property taxes, because let's be real, everyone wants to save money right now, especially on taxes. But we got super close to list price and had a smooth, clean closing. So if you're in the neighborhood and thinking about selling, or if you know of someone that is looking to buy in the area, call me. This is a great pocket of Plano, and homes are still getting strong attention with the right strategy. Whether you're buying, selling, or just curious, see you around the neighborhood. Happy house hunting.
Now the fun part, getting all my staging stuff out of the house.
You can also follow the link to TeamDuffy.com to get status updates on all properties, see staging photos before and after, and don't forget to stop by the Your Neighborhood page where you can get sold prices, sold dates, and photos of any property within a subdivision. You can also get a CMA sent to you within 1 minute. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day and happy house hunting.